A warm welcome to all the viewers. In today's session of Tourism and Hospitality Research, we will be discussing about core and peripheral conditions in fuzzy set qualitative comparative analysis. So, what are core conditions and what are peripheral conditions? Both are the types of sufficient conditions which we obtain through the truth table analysis. Now, how to identify? I'll show you a practical so that you can use that technique. We get three solutions to the truth table analysis. The first is the complex solution, which includes all the possible configurations leading to the outcome. The second is the parsimonious solution, which is a simplified version of the complex solution and includes those configurations which cannot be left out. The third is the intermediate solution, combination of complex and parsimonious solution. That is why in the literature you'll often see that scholars report intermediate solution. They interpret the intermediate solution results for FSQCA. If a condition is present in both parsimonious and intermediate solution, then it is a core condition. And if a condition is not present in parsimonious but present in the intermediate solution, then it is a peripheral condition. Now we will go to FSQCA software and check it out how it's actually done. Here we are in our data sheet. We go to analyze, truth table algorithm. We select the outcome, ACBI, that is the behavioral intention. The predictors or the antecedents, ACFQ, ACCA, ACSQ and ACBA. I press OK. Now, as there were 4 predictors, 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So we get 16 rows or 16 different configurations over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now first we have to sort them out. We take a threshold of 3 as our sample size is more than 150. So the first step is I click on a row which is lying below 3 and go to edit and press delete current row to last row. So I deleted those rows which had a frequency of lesser than 3. Now I'll look at raw consistency scores. Let it be sorted on a descending order basis. The highest raw consistency first, that is 0.93, and the lowest 0.27. Now the raw consistency threshold is 0.75. So you see up till here the raw consistency score is acceptable. It's 0.75 or above than that. Below this, it's not acceptable. Proportionate reduction in inconsistency, that is PRI consistency, has to be near to the raw consistency score, but the literature recommends at least it should be 0.5. So I see that only the first 3, 1, 2 and 3, these 3 rows have the PRI consistency which is above 0.5. So what I need to do in the outcome, I'll put 1 against where the PRI consistency is greater than 0.5 and I'll put 0 against those where it is not. So these rows will be left out of the truth table analysis. They will not be considered as the PRI score is quite low for them. Now I press on standard analysis, press OK, and I get the results. You see here, I get the complex solution, cutoff of frequency is 3, consistency cutoff 0.87. I get the parsimonious solution, and I get the intermediate solution. Now, for identifying the core conditions, I need to see at the configurations. The first configuration in parsimonious solution is ACFQ and ACCA. I find a similar configuration in intermediate solution where ACFQ and ACCA is present, but ACSQ is additionally present in intermediate solution but is absent in the parsimonious solution. So I call this one as a peripheral condition for this configuration. ACFQ and ACCA are both core conditions and ACSQ is a peripheral condition. If I look at the second obtained configuration, ACCA and ACSQ and ACVM, I have the same, exactly the same one in intermediate solution, ACCA, ACSQ and ACVM. That means all three are the core conditions and I can report them accordingly in my paper. So this is how I identify the core and peripheral conditions through the truth table analysis. I hope the video was quite interesting and informative for you, and you will definitely share it with your friends and faculty colleagues. Thanks for watching and keep watching for more.